Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm doing a real life makeup versus Instagram makeup look. On the left hand side here is the real life makeup side, and I'm going in with this MAC primer. It's going to smooth out my skin, ready to apply the foundation. On the right hand side, the Instagram side, I'm going in with the Mercier primer. This is a great one because it's got a bit of a tint and also makes my foundation last all day. As you can see, I've already filled in my eyebrows, so now for foundation I'm going in with the Clinique foundation in shade Light on the real life makeup side. I love this one for everyday use because it looks absolutely flawless and you can still see your skin underneath, so it's perfect. And what I like to do is use the beauty blender to blend that into my skin. It looks the most natural that way, and also I save a lot of foundation. On the Instagram side, I'm going in with this Nars foundation. I'm obsessed with this foundation. It's such full coverage. It makes your selfies on Instagram look so good. And I'm using a beauty blender to blend that into my skin. And on the real life makeup side, I'm going in with this Age Rewind concealer. I love this concealer. It really brightens the eye area. And I'm using a beauty blender to blend that into my skin. Now for the Instagram side, I'm going in with the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. I love this one. It's really full coverage and I never get any creasing under the eye area, which is perfect. So I'm going to apply that under my eyes, on my chin, and also on my forehead. And again, using a beauty blender to blend that out. On the real life makeup side, I'm using the MAC Mineralizing Skin Finish Powder to set the concealer. And on the Instagram side, I'm going in with the Mercier Translucent Powder to bake. To set the rest of my foundation on the real life makeup side, I'm going in with the MAC Mineralizing Skin Finish Powder. That just makes it look really natural. And on the Instagram side, I'm using the Nars powder. This one is really full coverage, so it's perfect for Instagram photos. For eyeshadow, I'm going in with the Urban Decay Naked palette. This is the original one, and I'm using the shade Virgin in the inner corner, Naked on the lid, and then I'm going in with Buck in the crease there. I love this palette for everyday wear. It's so natural and I feel as though it makes my eyes look so much bigger and more awake. Now on the Instagram side, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm using the shade Burnt Orange, and I am applying that with a Zoeva brush. In the crease, I'm using the shade Raw Sienna, and I'm just going to buff that into my crease until it looks seamless. Now to intensify the eye makeup look, I'm going to use the shade Primavera, and I'm going to pack that on using my finger, and that's just going to make it look really pigmented and more intense. As you can see now, I'm using the Tarte Lash Curler and the Benefit Mascara. I love this one, it's amazing. It makes your lashes look so long. For lashes on the Instagram side, I'm using these Huda Beauty lashes. Now for the real life makeup side, I'm using the Luminoso by the Balm Highlight. I love this one and I love using it for everyday looks, even though it is really intense. For highlighter on the Instagram side, I'm using this Becca highlighter in Moonstone, and I'm also using this Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. This brush is perfect for highlighting. It makes it look even more intense than it already is, and it's perfect for Instagram photos. For bronzer on the real life makeup side, I'm using this Bourjois bronzer, and I'm applying that on my cheekbones and also on my forehead as well. After I've finished contouring my forehead and my cheekbones, I'm then going to contour my nose. And the thing I love about this bronzer the most is that it smells like chocolate, so it's so amazing. And then on the Instagram side, I'm going in with the Benefit Hoola bronzer, and I love this one. It's definitely by far my favourite bronzer I own. To contour my cheekbones, I'm then using the Bahama Mama bronzer by the Balm. And this is the perfect shade because it's just a little bit darker than the Hoola bronzer, so it's perfect to get that chiseled cheekbone look. To make the contour look even more intense and sharp, I'm using the back of this palette, and then I'm also contouring my forehead as well. On the real life makeup side, I'm using this Milani blush in Luminoso, and then on the Instagram side, I'm using this Nars blush in Orgasm. To apply it, I'm using one of these Shernixo brushes. It's the older one. I'm not too sure whether she still sells these ones anymore, but her new brushes are so good, so if you haven't already given them a try, you should definitely give them a go because they're pretty good. On the Instagram makeup side, I'm going in with this Rimmel lip liner, and this is called Exaggerate. I love these lip liners, they're amazing. I reckon they're even better than the MAC ones, and they're also cheaper as well. And then I'm going in with this Too Faced lip plumper, and that's a Never Enough Nude. And on the real life makeup side, I'm using this MAC lipstick, and it's in Creme de Nude, and oh my gosh, this colour is amazing. It's so pretty, and I reckon the formula is amazing as well. And that is the real life makeup versus Instagram makeup look. I hope you guys loved it, and I'll see you guys next time.